Namaste viewers, welcome to my channel Ajayud. Now we are going to see the unboxing of Artline shading pencils. Let's move to the video. Yes, the pack is here. I ordered it from Amazon. Why? Because I searched for this in my area many times, but I didn't find it. See this label. Let's try to tear it. This is too strong. Let me try with scissor. Yeah, we tear it. Here is another pack inside. See this. Oh, where is its end? Yeah, also try it with scissor. Opening. Yes, it's open. Actually, this is a pack of 2 sets. Each one contains 6 different pencils. Like HP 2B, it had 6 different pencils. Let's see. It's opening. Yeah, see these 2 packs. This is Artline 6 watt. Here is the label. Actually, the diagram is good. Yeah, we open it. Tag. Let me check how many pencils are there in it. See, 3. Yeah, here 6 pencils. See this. See this, here 6 pencils like HP 2B. Oh, this 3. This is. Yeah, HB 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and 10B. We had 6 pencils. C and HB. Let's try to let's try by using a shading. So this is HP pencil, and it's also our normal pencil to write from childhood. Yeah, that's okay. HP, it means hard and dark, no? Sorry, black. Actually, it's hard and black. Let's try 2B also. This is 2B pencil. It's black pencil. Actually, 2 grade black. Yeah, it's okay. See, it's darker than first HB pencil. And try. Yeah, it's good. And we tried 4B also. See this. Yes, we find a huge difference between HP and 4B. This is fine dark. Yeah, okay. Also, we go for 6B. This is 4B. Now let's try 6B also. See this 6B. Here, okay, top. Sage. We have 6B. This is 6B. It's also darker than 4B. It's good for shading and not as soft as this is so soft than HP pencil. Let's see 8B also. Yeah, there is no much difference between 6B and 8B, but it's okay. And we feel that its softness, 8B is more softer than 6B. Also, we test the 10B pencil. See, it's labeled 10B. Yeah, this is dark. This is darker than other pencils and too sharp. Sorry, this is too darker than others and soft also. It's much softer. We feel it when we try shading.